analyst estimate revisions. After companies report results, analysts often update their earnings and revenue forecasts. These estimate revisions can sometimes become an important driver of stock performance, especially when both earnings and revenue expectations are moving higher. Here in the screener, I'm filtering for stocks where earnings momentum is above 10 and where analysts have recently revised their estimates higher. Let's start with analog devices. Here we can see the RS Estimates revision score for EPS, which reflects the change in analyst earnings estimates. The EPS revision change in value is about 12.5. Below that, we also have the sales revision score, which measures the change in analyst sales estimates. In this case, sales revisions are around 9.6. Looking at the chart, we can also see the revision score trending higher as analysts update their expectations. Another example is Applied Optoelectronics. Here, the EPS revision change is about 5.6, while sales revisions are around 11.8. We can also look at Amphenol, where EPS revisions are around 9.1 and sales revisions are close to 10.6. And finally, Astera Labs, where EPS revisions are about 8.2, while sales revisions are around 16.5. Now let me quickly show the settings used in the screener to identify these stocks. First, I filter for earnings momentum greater than 10. Then I add two revision filters. The first filter is RS Estimates revision score for EPS change in value set to greater than 0, which means analysts have recently increased their earnings estimates. The second filter is RS Estimates revision score for sales change in value, which I set to greater than 1. This helps identify companies where both earnings and revenue expectations are improving. Using these filters, we can quickly find stocks where analysts are becoming more optimistic about future results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next market update.